This 2024 Keystone Fuzion 427 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.